Hello. Hello, friends. Welcome to FRCR MCQ session. Question number 2 concerning electrons. In the Bohr model of atomic structure, electrons orbit the nucleus. True. Electrons, there will be nucleus in the center, and electrons are present around the nucleus and they orbit the nucleus. Then, electrons have plus 1 charge. No, will have minus 1 charge. So, this is false. The binding energy of L shell is higher than that of K shell. This is also false. So, binding energy of K shell is higher than that of L shell. K shell holds only two electrons. True. The electrons have a greater mass than protons. False. Protons will have more mass than electrons. So, the main important thing is that here in Bohr model of atomic structure, in Bohr model there is a nucleus, and surrounding the nucleus there are many orbits, and in that orbits the electrons are situated in the orbits. These are the electrons. So here the nucleus contains the protons and neutrons. Protons have positive charge, neutrons have no charge, whereas electrons have negative charge. K shell, the innermost shell is K shell, and a little, the next shell is L shell, and finally M, N, O shells. K shell can accommodate 2 electrons. So the electrons the electrons are attracted by the nucleus by certain amount of energy. So if we have to remove an electron, the energy which is required to remove the electron from the nucleus, from its shell, actually an amount of energy required to remove an electron from its shell is called as binding energy, electron binding energy. So this electron binding energy is more if the electron is in inner shell, and it is less when the electron is far away from the nucleus. Simple. If the electron is far away from the nucleus, the electron binding energy will be less. So this is more for inner shell electrons, that is K shell, and it is less for O shell, right? So the electron binding energy of K shell is more than L shell, is more than M shell, is more than N shell, is more than O shell. Then the mass of protons, the mass of electrons is very less, and the mass of protons is approximately 1836 times the mass of electron. And what is the mass of electron? Is very less, that is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31, 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. So these are the important points concerning electrons. Thank you.